Yoda would love to chase one in the water.
Yeah, do you want to let they do it?
You want to try to chase one, Yoda? All right.
How should
Get him. All right. Okay, go. Go. Look at he's chasing one. No, look at him. Look at him. He's going out there after him. Just like that's what Jet used to do too. And I think Macy does it.
He's straight ahead.
He has so much confidence and he's swimming now. He doesn't have to turn around.
Yeah. It's too far for him.
He'll be fine.
Call Yoda, come back. It's a little danger.
He'll be all right. Maybe they know how to swim, unlike us. They're fine. It's giving Cody confidence now. He's going to go protect his brother. Yeah, so Cody Yoda tries to go faster when the bird flies away.
Cody, go back.
Okay, Yoda, come on. Oh, that was priceless. You got a movie of that?
Yes.
Good. Wow, that's awesome.
本来说不要让他们搞湿了，结果现在全湿透了。
I'll bet you that, huh? They're interested in getting at those birds.
Yeah.
That's instinct. Good boy. Good boy.